This right here is a perfect example of how not to do a hot water heater. And a boiler for that matter. This flue pipe is the whole thing is installed incorrectly. It's dangerous. And you see here the flue pipe for the hot water heater is actually running downhill quite a bit. And most of the flue gas is coming out into the basement and not going up the flue pipe and out of the chimney. You can also see here with this T how rotted it is. It has holes rotted completely through it. This whole thing will have to be redone. I'll have to completely rip out everything, redo it all. Well, even the elbows, they're aluminum, which is definitely not a good thing for a flue pipe exhaust from a hot water heater to have aluminum. Now look at some of the holes on this side. This whole job is an example of an extremely poor installation. If you look at the top of this flue pipe, let's see if I can zoom in there a little bit better. And there's holes that are going completely through. And you can see holes coming through the flue pipe, letting light shine through from outside. Holes completely through both sides. And there again is your downhill flue pipe from your hot water heater.